Hey y'all, here's another date night recipe for my Valentine's Day series, and today I'm making some steak bites. This was also a relatively inexpensive meal. I probably spent $20 to $25 on all of these ingredients, so let's get right into it. My grocery store had these cube steak bites on sale. I think I spent like $6 for a pack of these, but feel free to use a higher quality of steak if you like. So I seasoned my meat with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then I seared them in a hot skillet with grapeseed oil, and I'm just browning them on all sides. I'm gonna slide my meat to one side, add a little butter and garlic cloves, and then I basted my steak bites in that garlic butter until they were finished cooking. And you can cook your steak to your desired doneness. Now I'm working on my chimichurri sauce. I used some parsley, a garlic clove, some fresh basil, oregano, crushed red peppers, and salt. You're supposed to use olive oil. I didn't have olive oil, so I ended up using some grapeseed oil. Also didn't have any white wine vinegar, so I used some rice vinegar. And then I just blended it all together in my magic bullet. I also went ahead and did some mashed potatoes. These were some basic mashed potatoes. So potatoes, cream, butter. I used salt, pepper, garlic powder, some garlic herb seasoning, and then I just mash them till I get them to my desired texture and consistency. I also seared some asparagus off camera, and then we can go ahead and plate everything. I placed those steak bites over the mashed potatoes, and then I'm going to drizzle it with that chimichurri sauce, and that was it. Y'all, this came out so bomb, and I'm not even a big steak eater like that. This recipe was mainly supposed to be for the steak, but honestly, the chimichurri ended up being like the star of the show. But anyways, try it out. Let me know what you think, because my man loved it.